we're going to talk a little bit more about the master control section here. We want to talk a little bit about these faults, how they work on the system. We talked earlier about when you get an indicator fault in the master section, it's going to shut the whole system down. Okay, with that, basically what we have is all of our indicator lights are across here. The only one that will not shut down the system instantly is the low day tank level. Basically, we have a 2-hour timer built into that. What we'll do is we'll simulate what happens if we get one of these master section alarms. I'm going to push the emergency stop on here. Okay, what we've got now is on the top here, we've got an emergency stop. We also have a banner on our screen that tells us we have some type of a shutdown problem. Down each one of our engines now, we have a general alarm that's on our engine. It says engine alarm. Basically, what we have to do now to reset this is we have to clear the fault. That is the problem. So right now I'm pulling the emergency switch back out. Now I have to acknowledge the problem. On the master section here, basically that is still on. There's a reset button on the master section that you have to push. This will clear the master section. I push the button, it's cleared the fault. We still have the fault indicator on all of our generator sections. What we have to do at this point in time is go down through each one of the generators and push the manual button and the reset to clear that fault off each one of the engines. At this point in time, we'd push the auto button on all of the generator sets again. The system would automatically start up and come back online. We also still have the indicators that we have to acknowledge on the main master screen. So we acknowledge each one of the generators that had a failure. And on the top you can see there's our emergency stop. Now we're clear and ready to run again. The lower set of alarm lights that are on this master section have to do with the heat recovery. Not all systems have heat recovery on them, but this system does. These will not shut the engine down. They're just alarms for the heat recovery system telling us what condition it is. Basically, we have a no load, a loss of pressure, and a loss of flow. These will not shut our system down, but they are indicators that there's trouble with the heat exchanger system and that the technician needs to come out and take a look at it.